Hello, singer friends. My name is Mirosław Grabski, but you can call me Miro. Miro G. I'm a professional choral and solo singer and a vocal coach. Today we'll discuss the differences between professional, choral and solo singing. Let's jump into it. If you're here, I suppose it means you're thinking about joining a choir, or your dream is to be a world-famous opera solo singer. Let me know in the comments below why you're watching my channel and what topic you find most valuable. What's your favorite repertoire, solo or choral singing? I'm so curious. There are many misunderstandings about choir and solo singing. I've practiced both styles and I try to help you understand them. What exactly means the main difference? First, let's define professional singing. In my opinion, it involves two main aspects: receiving professional training and technique, and usually getting paid for your vocal performances. To be clear about the distinction between solo and choir singing, I will focus only on professional performers. So, what are 7 main differences between solo and choir singing? Number 1, volume. Soloists typically have bigger voices, naturally endowed with the ability to cut through orchestras and fill large spaces. It's all about projection. Soloists project their voices forward, ensuring it reaches every corner of the venue. This skill can be learned, of course, though it takes time. The Italian term squillo describes the ringing tone that helps a voice stand out over an orchestra. Number 2, vibrato. In choir singing, voices with significant vibrato may not blend seamlessly, whereas in solo performances, vibrato is often crucial for expressiveness. It's a delicate balance between individuality and harmony. Number 3, ability to blend. Speaking of harmony, the ability to blend is a distinctive skill in choir singing. Choir members work together to create a unified sound, whereas soloists shine as individuals. Both require unique skills, but blending is key for harmonious choral performance. Number 4, stress and responsibility. The spotlight is a heavy burden. Soloists bear the stress and responsibility of a performance on their shoulders. On the flip side, choir members share the load, relying on each other for collective success. It's a different kind of pressure. Number 5, payment. You might wonder how much money you can make from classical singing. It depends, I'll tell you, whether it's a simple song on a wedding, a concert, or a full opera performance. Payment varies by market, country, and whether you're paid by an institution or a private person. Generally, soloists can earn from $20 as semi-amateurs to $5,000 and more if you are internationally recognized opera star. Good soloists typically make more money than professional choir singers. Choir singers in opera and philharmonic ensembles usually earn an average salary for their country. However, as an amateur singing for fun, appreciation, and personal satisfaction can be more rewarding than money. Number 6, social aspect. Solo singers are usually lone wolves, focusing on their individual vocal journey. In contrast, choral singers are part of a tight-knit group, fostering camaraderie and teamwork. It's a social experience versus a more solitary pursuit. Number 7, diapason and range. In solo singing, the diapason, tessitura or range, is often slightly higher than in choral singing. Soloists have the freedom to explore a broader vocal range, showcasing their individual capabilities. In choral singing, some pieces are written extremely low and others extremely high, like for example Mahler's Symphony No. 8. These are these extreme notes at the top and at the bottom of the choral singer's scale. And what about you? Would you like to be a soloist or you enjoy singing in a choir? Let me know in the comment section below. If you are interested in choral and solo singing, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for today and see you next time. Bye bye.